If you're looking for some refreshing summer drinks with no added sugar, you might want to try these 3 quick and easy homemade drinks. These drinks have lots of health-giving benefits. They have lots of antioxidants. They also help with gut health and overall immunity. These drinks use only few ingredients. Welcome to our health and wellness family. Now let's start with our pineapple mango drink. Add the pineapple pieces to the blender. Pineapple has the digestive enzyme bromelain and fiber, which helps with digestive health. Next, add some fresh or frozen mango pieces. Add a few pieces of ginger. Next, cut an orange into smaller pieces. Add the entire orange for the fiber, not just the juice. Orange has vitamin C, which is great for immune health, and it also has potassium, which is great for heart health. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are high in vitamin C and is great for immune health. Lemons are also great for skin and digestive health. Add your desired amount of water and then blend. Look at this beautiful color. Add some more water to thin out the consistency. Add some ice to a glass. We're gonna cut a slice of orange to garnish. Now let's pour our drink to enjoy. We can remove some of the froth on top of the drink. So delicious and refreshing. We're going to pour the leftover into a mason jar. These are the ingredients for our second drink. Now let's start by cutting up some cucumber into smaller pieces. Cucumber is good for hydration, digestion, and it's also good for bone health with the vitamin K. Add the cucumber pieces to the blender. Next, add some ginger. Also, peel 1 kiwi and add it to the blender. Kiwi has twice the amount of vitamin C as an orange. It has fiber and lots of antioxidants. Kiwi also helps with digestive health, heart health, and bone health. Add the juice of 1 lemon. You could also use lime instead of lemon in this drink. Add some mint. Next, add your desired amount of water based on consistency. Add a dash of monk fruit sweetener. Now just cover the blender and just blend. Look at this pretty shade of green. I am not straining out the fiber in these drinks, so you can just take off the foam on top. Add more water as needed to thin out the consistency. Add some ice to a glass. Garnish with some fresh mint and also some kiwi pieces. Now let's pour our drink to enjoy. Add some additional mint on top. Healthy and refreshing. Now let's store the rest in a mason jar. Now for our final drink, watermelon raspberry. Add some watermelon pieces to the blender. Next, let's add some raspberries. Raspberries have the cancer-fighting ellagic acid, lots of fiber, and also lots of antioxidants. Next, add a piece of beet, which is great for circulation. Also add some fresh ginger. Next, add the juice of 1 lemon. Add as much water as you like to get a thin consistency. Next, cover the blender and just blend. You can remove the froth on top. Look at this lovely color. Add some ice to a glass. Add a few raspberries to the glass. Now let's pour our drink and enjoy. So delicious and healthy. Also comment below which one of these drinks you're gonna try next. Add the leftover to a mason jar. So there you have it. 3 easy, delicious, healthy, and refreshing drink. Enjoy. And to help you improve your health, download my free Natural and Holistic Health Guide. The link is in the description. Also, it would mean the world to me. Supports this channel and help you to improve your health with lots of great recipes. Please get a copy of my book and Natural and Holistic Health course on sale at shirleylouise.com or my stand store. I also want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with family and friends. And until next time, be blessed and stay healthy.